a difference between loving your body and accepting your body. Loving your body implies an appreciation that I just don't think is always possible or like palpable or clear. Loving your body doesn't always make you feel happy or make you feel satisfied. Sometimes loving your body can feel really stressful, and sometimes loving your body can make you really angry, and it will make you hate your body. Actually, loving your body can be hating your body too. Accepting your body feels like a much easier goal for me personally. It feels like I'm just gonna accept this. The good, the bad, and the ugly, especially the ugly. There's parts of my body that I like, there's parts of my body that I don't like, and I'm just gonna accept all of that as who I am. And that this is the vehicle that I've been given for this level of the video game. And it's the vehicle that got me to where I am. Because whether or not I choose to like or love my body, it's still the only body that I've got. So I might as well accept it. And from that acceptance, find gratitude for it.